Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the pan and heat. Handle it carefully. Inspect for rust or leftover soap, then dry thoroughly. Place the pan on low to medium heat and let it warm for about 3 to 5 minutes so the metal expands evenly. Meanwhile, choose a high smoke point oil, canola or grapeseed work well, and measure roughly 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon depending on pan size. Once the surface feels uniformly warm, you're ready to apply oil and move to seasoning or cooking immediately. Now you'll oil and begin cooking or seasoning. This step builds release and protection. Pour a small amount of oil, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, into the warm pan and use a folded paper towel to rub it into the entire surface, including sides. If you're cooking, wait until the oil shimmers before adding ingredients so you get a proper sear. Do not overcrowd the pan, which cools the surface. Adjust to medium heat as needed and monitor for smoke. Lower the flame if the oil breaks down. Finish by controlling cool down and cleaning. This preserves seasoning and performance. When you're done cooking, remove food and allow the pan to cool a few minutes so oils don't polymerize oddly, then wipe out crumbs with a paper towel. If something is stuck, pour in a little water, return to heat to loosen residue, and scrape gently with a spatula. Never use harsh scouring that strips seasoning. Dry completely, apply a thin protective oil film, and store somewhere dry. If rust appears, scrub, dry, and re-season promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.